Friends, I'm Hit Abhilasha Bajaj, Director of 5 Star. Today, I'll discuss about two coins in the world which allow to create their tokens. The first is Ethereum, which was launched in 2015, and second is India-based coin, 5 Star coin, launched in 2019. Today, we'll compare both and watch which is the best. Everyone knows that you can create a token of Ethereum at a nominal amount $10 approximately. That is in Indian currency 600 to 700 rupees. This is one of the most popular coins in the world. Other so many coins like BTC, Ripple are also popular, but here we don't discuss about these because these coins don't allow to create tokens according to their technology. In the whole world, there are only two coins which allow to create their tokens. First is Ethereum and second is India-based 5 Star coin. When token of Ethereum is created, then you have to list it on exchange and have to develop own website. And after that, token is listed. ERC20, ERC223, ERC721, ERC777, and so many types of tokens can be created of Ethereum. Here, fee of trading is very high, price is very high, but there is no hope to more increase in rate of that coins because the mining speed of Ethereum is very high. So price of Ethereum will be stopped very soon. On the other side, 5 Star coin is India-based coin launched in India, which has its own blockchain. This coin is giving authority to create its token in coming new year 2020 in January. Its website is 5starcoin.in, where anyone can create its token on free of cost. Only one transaction fee, approximately 5 to 10 paisa only, which is nothing for everyone. So according to cost of creating a token from both 5 Star and Ethereum, the cost of token of 5 Star is very low. So in this comparison, 5 Star is the best. After creation of tokens of both coins, we compare the expenses of website according to international standard. The expense of website is 2.5 lakh rupees for Ethereum tokens. On the other side, expense of website of 5 Star token is 1 lakh only because there is own development team of 5 Star which has given their offer for users, but this offer is only for a short period. After some time, it will be increased up to 1.5 lakh rupees. This offer is only to attract users to create tokens. This is the starting stage of 5 Star and to create tokens. When we create an Ethereum token, then we have to find such exchange where we can trade freely. So cost of exchange is very high, but for token of 5 Star, there will be our own exchange to trade free of cost. The exchange of 5 Star will be launched in January 2020. In 5 Star exchange, there is crypto market as well as INR trading is also included. Means P2P trading is also allowed. There will be free listing of tokens of 5 Star exchange which have their own website. So according to the total cost of tokens of both coins, the cost of 5 Star tokens is very low than Ethereum tokens. Total cost of 5 Star token is only 1 lakh INR, where total cost of Ethereum token is near about 3 lakh INR. So 5 Star is the better than Ethereum. When Ethereum was launched in 2015, price was very low, but now it has increased 1,000 times more. But now the capacity of increasing is finished. The speed of mining is very high, so the rate can not increase. It seems impossible. Rate of Ethereum is now stable. Against this 5-star coin launched in 2019, the possibilities of increasing in rate of coin is too much. Chances of progress are also very much. Creation of tokens will start very soon. 5-star has own e-commerce 5starshop.in, where everyone can use their coins for shopping. Everyone can involve in MLM plan 5starearning.com. It has its own education portal, Matrimony, in which you can involve and get benefits of each portal. Now, if we compare Ethereum and 5-star, then 5-star is more beneficial and profitable for its users. Price of Ethereum is not in approach of low income grade people, where 5-star is in approach of a very poor people also. They can buy and secure coins for long period and can get profits. If we compare 100% of both coins, Ethereum is very popular coin, where 5-star is a new launched rising coin which can compete Ethereum. Only one 5-star coin can compete Ethereum in the world. The main thing is that 5-star is Indian based coin. India is a very large market of crypto. There are large numbers of crypto users and traders in India. If 5-star launched in India with so many facilities, then it is sure that the whole world will salute this coin. In comparing both, Ethereum has a popular name, famous name, where 5-star has a great functions. It depends upon you to choose name or function. But it is a fact that in future 5-star can be a topmost coin in the world. If you buy 5-star in current rate, you can earn a big profit. It is very beneficial for them which will buy 5-star coins now at very low and starting rate. So please wait and watch that every user of 5-star will be a millionaire in a very short period. So friends, keep it up. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Jai Hind.